see it there. Another deer. Aren't they pretty? I just came out in the woods. I already found friends. Oh, there's another one behind that one. Gorgeous creatures. So this is a woods, not too far from my house. Let's see, there it is. I hope you can see all this. That's so neat. See a real deer. He's so cute. Cleaning. So yeah, I guess this is my nature walk type video. All sorts of animals out today. Birds in the trees. And look, I'm pretty close to these dudes. Well, girls? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna continue on. Let them be. Yeah, it's super muddy. Yeah, with my gross pajama pants. It's still a little chilly out here, so you know. Squelch, squelch. Thought I'd just post this, show you what's going on, let you visit the woods with me. So, exciting news, I got a job. I know that's kind of sudden. My mom has been bugging me about it for a while. She's like, you need to get a job. And I'm like, what am I going to spend it on out here? And she's like, you know what, you need job experience. And I was like, And really, I was just holding off because, like, I'd be fine to have a job. It's a reason to leave the house. Maybe I could make some friends with my coworkers. But, look at that. There's like a little shelter thing. I wonder what made those. I mean, who? Oh, yeah, who? I don't know. Maybe some local kids or whatever. I don't know. But then because of all this corona stuff that's been going on, and by the way, I'm fine. My family's fine. We're already basically in isolation here. So, whoa. It's cool. It's not like we're gonna get sick or anything. And I mean, people our age are fine anyway, but I wouldn't want to get my family sick. But, you know, it's not like I go out much anyway. So, that's fine. So yeah, we're fine. But because of all this disease stuff, applications for this place where I work now, it's like a little grocery store. It's like a mom and pop style place. But applications were actually online, so I didn't have to do it in person, which was nice. So I got hired, and then I went into job training. I was real nervous, you know, dressed in my new little uniform. And let's see, maybe let's go this way. And you'll never guess who was training me in. It was the self-same Astra who I had seen at the library. But you can't hear the wind. It's kind of haunting through all these trees. Eek. Sorry, I keep getting distracted by the woods spacing out. This place just has a weird energy, you know? But, so she trained me in, you know, where the cleaning supplies are and all that. good stuff. And, you know, maybe since we're working together, we talked a little bit more, and I think she likes me better now. So maybe with time, you know, we'll move on, and I'll make a friend, and then maybe they'll let me join their weird-ass book club, or whatever it is. Maybe it's a front for like a gang or something. I don't know. Weird stuff. Yeah. Tree got me. But yeah, so we're getting to know each other. Oh, and then the other day, so she has like this really cute bag, right? All sort of cute, whatever, on it. I don't know how to describe it. Like one of those bags that were popular a couple years ago. The different colors. Anyway, she left her bag, and so I was like, oh, I will be a good individual and return it. So I looked inside it to see if I could find an address, and I did find one. There was a little if lost return to thing. Ew, berries. Sorry. But also, and I was not snooping through her bag. I really was doing my best. But it's hard to not notice a giant-ass grimoire with a whole-ass witch's ladder going down the side. And I was like, what? So she's definitely a witch. I definitely thought she was a witch. Because, like, she dresses all cool and witchy. But now it is confirmed. She has a grimoire, and I really, really want to look at it because it's so pretty, and I want to know what she puts in there because, like, I think those are just super cool, but obviously that'd be a huge invasion of privacy. So I really will try to not, but also I really want to. But no, I'll just go return that to her soonly. Probably later today. And then I will have earned my good American points, and maybe she'll want to be my friend. I'm not too far from civilization. I'm like on the edge of the woods. I'm gonna go deeper later, but due to my tendency to wander, I don't want to get lost right now. But yeah, new job, very exciting. Possible new friend, very exciting. Good deeds. I don't know what you can hear in the background. There's all sorts of weird stuff. Bird calls and... yeah, I think there must be like a daycare near here maybe? Probably who made those stick forts. But anyway, yeah, I'm glad you liked your present. Kind of cute, do an unboxing video like that. And thank you for the extra footage of Star. Always needed. He's such a little cutie pie, and my heart misses him so much. If you ever come visit, which I'm sure you probably can't, you're all busy with school and stuff, and now you really shouldn't travel across the country. I mean, I guess if you're, I don't know, it's weird right now. But I don't know. Sort of weird. I lost my train of thought. I think I was saying something about Star, though. Oh yeah, that if you ever visit, you should bring him. But at least he can't get corona. That's a start. Yeah, I miss you. I guess everyone's separated now, so not unique. It's really nice to just sit out here. I think I'll come out here more. Even if it is a little cold. Kind of creepy. Oh well. Well, see ya, I guess.